Carol Stafford. Carol Stafford is deceased.
Yes, you did tell me that. Okay. Yes, you did. All right. And where are we on this case? You were supposed to pay. Go ahead.
I've got her at 42-16-42.
42-16-42. So she did what she told me. She was gonna pay $2,000. You did that, didn't you? All right. How are you gonna get the rest of this paid off, young lady?
I can give them $1,500 today. I was waiting to see if DHS is going to give me approval for an SCR. I haven't heard back from my caseworker, but I'm just asking until the end of the
Okay,
month.
hold on.
Oh, okay.
You're all right. You got $1,500 today that you can get them. That's gonna bring you down. It will. And you're waiting on an SCR. And how many people are in your house?
Between that and my 3 dysfunctional children is 4.
Just 4
Yeah.
of you. All right. So just so that you know, even if you got the max award on that, it's only about $740.
That's fine. So I was fired on the FMLA and I finally got my job back. So I'm back. As you can see, I'm back at work. I'll be able to pay it in full. Even if they don't give it to me, I'm going to pay it.
All right. Let me ask you this. All right. When people follow through on what they say, then I give them try to give them a break. You see when people don't follow through, that's a problem, right?
Yes, sir.
So you get paid bi-weekly or?
Weekly.
Weekly.
Yeah.
All right. So you got $1,500 that you can give them today.
Yeah.
That's from this check of the 16th, right?
Yeah.
Basically. Okay. So on the 23rd, what can you?
Hopefully the rest of it. I've been working overtime, so
What'd you say?
Been working overtime, so.
Okay. Okay. Let me ask you this. Are you all right? Come on. What's wrong?
Thank you. I'm fine. It's grief.
It's what?
It's grief.
Grief. Okay. All right. Let's do this. I sometimes can't help soothe that, but we can try to work through this and maybe lighten the burden another way. How about that?
Oh yeah, definitely. I'm fine.
I know. Yeah. Whenever anybody tells me I'm fine, that means they usually aren't. Okay. So you can pay 15 today. What about next week? Do you think you can pay the rest of it next week?
Yeah.
All right. And you can, so what time on the 23rd do you think you can get that paid?
By 3 o'clock. I don't get off work till 2 o'clock, so.
You don't get off work. When are there?
2 o'clock.
At 2. You get off, okay. Right. And I'm doing this over the objection of plaintiff because you did what you said you were going to do. And I think you'll get this done. I'm going to mark in the file that you're going to pay $1,500 today. And then the balance you're going to pay by the 23rd. I'm going to adjourn this out to the 30th date. I'm going to give you a chance to get it. All right.
All right. Thank you.
And that will be January 30th at 3 p.m. Okay. So get it paid on the 23rd, because then that way what can happen is in that week they can file a dismissal.
Okay. Got it.
All right.
Yes, sir.
You got it?
Yep.
You gonna be all right? Are you out there driving?
Who, me?
Yeah, right now.
Sort of. I mean, I
don't want you out there driving if you're gonna be all over the place.
Oh, listen, it's cold outside. I'll be fine as soon as it's cold here.
She looked at Jim and said, look, listen. It's just all right. Maybe you have a blessed weekend.
Thank you, you too.
Sow Farms versus Derek Wanson. Sean. And Elizabeth, one shot. I almost left out the brain trust. Your names?
Elizabeth Wanton.
Derek one? Okay. And where are we on their case?
Your Honor, they made a payment of $400 and the total with cost is $2,834.33.
Have you heard back from Hawk yet?
We did call them and they wanted us to do the SCR first. To see if we get a letter of denial, or they want that first before they can do. They said their funds were limited or something.
Yeah, I know, but how many people are in your house?
4.
So that'd be the 740 again, that it could be a part of it, but if you're max, did you put the SCR in?
Yes, it's still pending. We haven't heard back yet.
Did they give you an appointment or anything?
For Hawk? Or no, not until we hear back from the SCR. Yeah.
I'm about to scream, but I won't. When did you put your SCR in? At the beginning of the month.
Beginning of the month. Yeah.
The beginning of this month?
Yeah.
So it should be coming back. It's not supposed to take that long. And so let me ask you this. Your understanding is once you hear about the SCR, then what's going to happen?
Well, if we get a denial from that, then they said they would be able to step in or try to step in and do something when they get that.
Pete's sakes. All right, guys. Is there anything you guys are going to be able to pay between now and next week if I adjourn this out?
Not next week. We can do $500 ourselves on the 28th.
Okay.
I'm sorry, was that 500 on the 28th?
Yeah, they can do 500 on the 28th, which would. I'm going to do this over the objection of plaintiff because I know that there's funding and they're under the 3 right now without SCR, without any of that. They're under the 3. If you pay the 500, you're definitely under that amount. And that might be helpful. So I'm going to indicate that you're going to pay on the 28th, you're to pay the 500. I'm going to adjourn this out to the 30th. 2026 at 3 p.m. Okay.
Okay.
Keep in touch with Hawk once you hear from the SCR from the state.
Okay.
Okay. I'm also going to apprise you. Just touch base with your landlord at their office and let them know that if Hawk gives you an appointment, let them know that Hawk gave you an appointment and you're supposed to meet with them at what time. Or if they say that they're going to cover you, let your landlord know right away.
Okay.
Even though you might not have written confirmation, just tell them they say they're going to do this. We don't have written confirmation, but they say they're going to do it.
Okay.
Your Honor, just to add, so the court is aware and so defendants are aware, with the case being adjourned to the 30th and the timing of payments and potentially delays with SCR and then Hawk intervening if they do, I can surmise that February rent is going to hit this ledger before there's a verification from Hawk, which means that's going to put them back up over the 3,000. And
Right.
in my experience,
How much is their monthly? Got it. Okay.
Yep, their rent is $9.15, and then they have water and sewer charges metered based on usage, and they're about $150 $150 on the low end, each month, but they have been higher than
Okay, so
that.
what they're really gonna need. Okay, so here's what you guys need to plan on with what Ms. Dornbush is saying. You could find yourself, if Hawk says we'll pay the maximum amount, you're gonna have about maybe $300, $300 to $400 that you're gonna have to come up with to get down below that if FCR said no.
Okay,
That makes sense to you? That was a
Yeah.
lot there in that, but you follow what I'm saying?
I do. Yeah.
All right. So I'm gonna do that for you, and you and really let the landlord know.
Okay,
Okay? All right. You guys take care.
thank you.